Just another chill day in the Matrix. I could get used to this. Just gotta get over that. The apathy. The fakeness. Certain group of hoarding everything to themselves. All the stupid rules and regulations. Pretty much everything is out there to kill you. Slowly. That slow, miserable death. That's so many. People in the Matrix get swept by. But hey, sometimes life in the Matrix ain't so bad, like yesterday. That steak made me feel feelings. Those good ass feelings. Oh, we still got some fat left. That's the best part. Let me tell you, that fat is satiating. That's how you pronounce it from now on. Satiating. Satiating. You know, life in the Matrix ain't so bad. You just have to get over the hopelessness. Or all the lies, scams, all of that nonsense. All of the NPCs that get mad at you when you tell the truth or try to find the truth. We're just doing some base science over here. Can't man do a science anymore? Proving you all motherfuckers wrong. One day at a time. And my tummy is loving it. I think I was a little fat deficient. Before I found this nature's gold, this the real gold. Because this has made me feel extraordinary. When you eat this shit, life in the Matrix becomes suddenly pretty good. Your body calms down. Your mind calms down. You got little goosebumps. Your hair raises up a little bit. Your senses become 100%, 100% sensing the colors. They become so vivid. Too bad we don't have them at this time of the year. Everything's just dark. It's just darkness and fake lights. That's the Matrix for you. Darkness, spiritual darkness, and fake lights that try to trap you. Those soul traps. But when you put raw chicken in your mouth, you will suddenly remember life outside of the Matrix. Where the raw chicken eat bugs, and the bugs eat whatever the bugs eat, and whatever the bugs eat, and it all makes sense when you put that raw chicken in your mouth. You get 2 thumbs up from your tummy. Because you finally give your tummy what it needs. The biggest lie fed to us is that the single biggest lie that is fed to you and me and everybody else is that salmon Nutella is out there to get you. He's gonna get you. Be careful, salmon Nutella is gonna get you. When in reality, salmon Nutella was there to help you, save you from the Matrix all along.